Google Ads is dead, or is it? So a lot of people are saying to me that Google Ads is dead. Now in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk you through why people are thinking Google Ads is dead. But not only that, but I'm going to give you a solution to what you should really be doing. And the answer is not necessarily scrapping Google Ads. Just keep watching this video and explain all about it, exactly what I mean, and why we're getting this thing about is Google Ads dead. It's happened in the SEO industry, whereby people thought SEO was dead. But let's keep watching the video and let me talk you through a few things, and I'm going to give you a way of conducting your business in terms of generating more leads for your business in a very different way. Before I do hit the subscribe button, because 80% of people who watch this video are not subscribed to my channel. So please subscribe to my channel. Just hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications button, because I'm trying to get more subscribers onto my channel to help business owners, marketing managers, just like yourselves, to get more leads flowing into their business. So let's get on with the show. The question is Google Ads dead? Sorry, that's a blip. Sorry about that. Now, is Google Ads dead? Now, what is it that's making people think that Google Ads is dead? And there's several things that people think that. Now, one of the reasons is because your cost per click is going through the roof. It's going higher and higher. But what I say to people is that don't just focus on cost per click, focus on cost per lead, or even better, cost per sale. Because let's say, for example, if each click is costing you 50 pence, but you're getting no leads from it, right? On the other hand, a click could cost you £1, but you're getting leads from it. So which one's better, right? So in other words, hey, it's not just about cost per click, it's about cost per lead. Now, what is leading to an increase in cost per click in the first place? And that is several reasons. Firstly, increased competition. More and more people are setting up businesses, more and more people are setting up websites, and they want traffic to the websites, right? And they don't want to rely on organic methods, because organic methods take a while to get your business shown on Google. You want it to be so that if somebody's finding your business, they want to just go to Google and you want to be there so that you can get the inquiry or the lead. So there's an increase in competition, right? A lot of people are jumping onto the Google Ads bandwagon, and that's naturally leading to an increase in cost per click. The other reason that people think Google Ads is dead is because people think that there's ad fatigue. And what that means is that a lot of people are saying that, hey, we don't want to click on ads, we want to click on the organic listings. So there's a huge myth going on, and those people are saying, we don't use Google Ads because we don't click on the sponsored listings, we click on the organic listings, okay? And that's leading to this perception that Google Ads is dead. The other reason is that there's algorithmic changes. So a lot of people have, even though they've got their Google Ads campaigns, there's a lot of changes that are coming into the Google platform. And unless you're keeping on top of it, your Google Ads can start performing really poorly, because you really need to be on top of your game all the time, or get someone who's on top of their game all the time when managing a Google Ads campaign. Another reason is that the privacy regulations. So because privacy is becoming a bigger and bigger issue, a lot of people are installing ad blockers. So by installing ad blockers, and especially on platforms like your mobile device, whereby it could be that you can install apps to stop the ad, or your desktop, whereby you can install extensions to stop ads. So not everyone is seeing your ads because they are being blocked by the ad blockers. Another reason is that the emergence of new platforms. So for example, the Gen Z are using TikTok, for example. So when they want to find some information, they can, or a bulk of them are going to platforms like TikTok. So what that's doing is having a huge impact on Google Ads. So the question is, what must you do about it? Is Google Ads dead? Should you be scrapping Google Ads and doing something else? But then if you do, then what should you be going to? Now, let's face it, when you're trying to find something, whether you're trying to find a hairdresser, right? The first place you go to is Google to say local hairdressers near me. Or if you're trying to find a plumber, local plumbers near me, right? Or if you're trying to find anything, the first place people go to is always Google, right? So what you need to be ensuring is that you've got prominence on Google so that when people are looking for you, they can find you, right? And one of the ways of doing that is Google Ads. But at the same time, should you be dependent on Google Ads? And what I say is that what you should be doing is that you should be diversifying your marketing campaigns. So in other words, you're not just dependent on Google Ads, but you're also running organic listings as well, like for example, search engine optimization or Google Business Profile, formerly known as Google Maps. So in that way, you're not just dependent on Google Ads, but you've also got traffic and leads coming in from an organic source. And that is really important because people say that, hey, we want Google Ads now because we don't want to wait 6 months or 7 months before we start getting traffic from organic listings. But let's face it, time goes really fast, right? And because time goes really fast, it's worthwhile investing in the long-term strategies as well as short-term strategies because time will go really fast. And before you know it, that 6-7 months have come. And if you have invested in organic like SEO or Google Maps, you've been optimizing those, you'll find that in months to come, you'll start getting leads and traffic and sales from those channels as opposed to just Google Ads. The other thing that you should be doing is that you should be making sure that you're not just focusing on organic strategies whereas Google Ads, but you should also be focusing on conversion rate optimization. So in other words, that it's not just about driving traffic to your website, it's about, well, how many of these people are converting from a visitor to a sale? It could be that initially, let's say 1 person in every 10 people are converting into a lead. Now, what you need to be doing, you need to be doing conversion rate optimization in order to convert 2 out of every 10 and then 3 out of every 10. So in a nutshell, Google Ads is here to stay. Ads are here to stay because they are a short-term strategy. So what you should be doing is leveraging both short-term and long-term or medium interim to long-term strategies to make sure that you've got the whole spectrum covered. Short-term for now, long-term for months to come. But then even when you do start getting traffic from your long-term strategies, there's nothing to say you can't still carry on using Google Ads. If you want to boost up business, you just increase your Google Ads, right? Or if you think that, hey, we've got a slow month, you can pause your Google Ads because your organic strategies are then kicking in. Now, that's the main core of this video. If you want to learn more, or if you think that, hey, we want to get more leads into our agency, what other strategies can we use? Get in touch with us, because what we'll do is that we'll design you a custom solution, a solution which is designed specifically for your business. There'll be a link in the description below, and we can look at your business, look at who your ideal customers are, where they're coming from, what their main pain points are, and we'll give you a strategy. And a strategy could consist of multiple different marketing channels as opposed to just one marketing channel, and that's what you should be doing. Okay, now guys, like I said, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, and if you've got any questions about Google Ads or any type of marketing strategies, put them in the comments area below. Either myself or a member of my team will get back to you very shortly. Take care. I look forward to seeing you on another video. If you want to learn more about marketing strategies, check out this video here. It will give you complete insights into how to market your business and get more leads for your business. Take care. Goodbye for now.